Nidhi, can you please give me an update?
Okay, give me 5 minutes. I'll just finish this work and I'll revert back to you.
Again, you've made a mistake.
Again? Let's find out what was wrong here. And in the meantime, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that. Did you understand what was wrong in my sentence? This is what my sentence was. I thought about it and I understood what was wrong. I'm going to share with you what happened here. Something that was wrong in this sentence was actually the use of this word. Let me share the meaning of this word and then I will tell you what happened. The actual meaning of this particular word is to return to its original position, original form, or possibly from where it all started. And the second meaning of this word is to respond to somebody, to give them a reply. And that's what I said. I said, I will revert back to you. But that was wrong. The problem here was the word back. Now, revert means to reply or respond. And that's why you never use back with this word. I simply have to say, I will revert to you. Or I will reply to you, or I will respond to you. Using the word back is not needed. That is an error. A very common one, something that you and I might be making. So think about it next time. If you're ever using this word revert, please do not use back with it. Do share in the comments if today's video helped you understand something new, and if you have any confusion about any word in English, write to me and I can make a video for it and share with you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do that right now. See you soon.